We have all heard about this word IoT, but what does it really mean, or what does it even stand for? IoT is an abbreviation that stands for Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a network of physical devices, vehicles, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and network connectivity. All of these which enable objects to collect and exchange data. What happens in an IoT class? In an IoT class, you will be exposed the IoT concepts and learn to build your own IoT gadgets. LED Blink Project. LEDs, which are light emitting diodes, are small components working together that are capable of lighting up an entire room. And they are also energy efficient. Here, students will learn about LEDs, how do LEDs work, and the programming of an LED. Students will learn to control a servo motor. A servo motor allows for precise control of angular or linear position, velocity, and acceleration. It consists of a suitable motor coupled to a sensor for position feedback. Learn to display the output value of sensors and make animations on OLED displays. Students are exposed to the working of different sensors like ultrasonic sensors, temperature sensors, etc. and then displaying that output on a screen like LED or OLED. Learn to make automatic curtains using sensors and actuators. In this project, you can make your curtains automatically open during the day and close at night using a servo motor and LDR sensor. LDR stands for Light Dependent Resistor. Learn to make a mood lamp using IoT cloud-based services. Here, students can change the color of the lamp, which is the LED. It is designed such that depending on the state of mind or feeling, you can change the color of the lamp. Creating SOS messages using IoT cloud-based services. The basis of this IoT project is that when an elderly person, human, or any needy person needs help, they can simply press a button and it will send a notification to a known person or family member. Here are examples of some of the projects that have been done by students. Automated lamp. Before, street lamps or street lights were manually operated, where someone used to manually switch them on and off at particular times. Many times street lamps would remain on continuously through the day. In order to solve this problem of wastage of electricity, automated street lamps were born, where the light would switch on automatically based on the ambient light. The light dependent resistor, which is the LDR sensor, will measure the ambient light and compare it with the threshold value set by the user. If the LDR sensor receives more than the threshold value, it will turn on the light. Push button wardrobe opening system. In this project, a servo motor is connected to the wardrobe. When the push button is pressed, it will open the door of the wardrobe. Real-time intensity based light indicator. Depending upon the outside environment, the LDR sensor here will measure the ambient light intensity present in the surroundings, and the RGB LED will change its color automatically.